Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Pisces. Let us see what is coming up, guys, for your daily energies and for your overall energies, Pisces. So let us see what is coming up, guys. Judgment, Ace of Pentacles, the Hangman, Five of Pentacles, Ace of Cups. With these cards, Pisces, some new changes are coming your way. Maybe that may be regarding something which you are really passionate about, maybe in your relationship or maybe work. So some new beginning is coming your way, and you are clearly identifying the choices that you want to have in your life to reach the goals you have, and you are clearly seeing the path to reach your goals. And maybe for some of your you may feel certain changes in your work. You may be getting a promotion or a change in the place of work or change in the place of city, something like that, guys. That may also be there. So maybe due to this or due to some kind of minor illness or some kind of stress that you're facing, you may find yourself in a position that you have to make certain kind of choices and you are not clear about that, maybe for some of you all. So this move to a different place or this new position or this some kind of stress in your relationship, this person is very loving, they are very devoted to you, they are there with you whatever it is, so they have this great attachment with you guys. That is the energy here. But something is troubling you, maybe your illness or maybe this new move or something. So that may be the reason that you're having thoughts, that you are making thinking within yourself what you need to do and what should be the goals that you reach, and you are clear about your choices. So that is the energy with these cards, guys. But something new is coming your way, Pisces, some new beginning, that which you are really passionate about, maybe some kind of second job or something you like. It may be something which you love to do, like some kind of creative arts, painting, dancing, singing, something you want to pursue it as a second career. That may be coming your way, which is also with lucrative results. So you may want to take that up, and whatever is coming out of it, the results are really good, so you want to take that up, guys. So that is the way you feel with this new beginning, whatever is coming up. Or maybe for some of you all, this person you are with, you feel that happiness, contentment in that relationship, and you want to take it forward with a strong commitment, and engagement or marriage with this person. That may also be the energy here, guys. So you may want to take it forward in this relationship. If you are really in love with this person, you are brimming with that happiness, you are overflowing with joy. So that may also be the energy here. And maybe that may be the the energy denoting some kind of change in your position. Maybe you are going to become life partners, so that may be the reason for these cards. So that is the energy with these cards, Pisces. Let us see what is coming up with the other set of cards here. What is the energy for Pisces? child, some house. Just like I said, you are getting some kind of a new beginning, new creative ventures, something coming your way, guys. That is the energy with these cards. And this relationship with this person, what to say, you are having that great intimacy, affection and love and great understanding, mutual understanding in your relationship, and you feel that romance, harmony and affinity in this relationship, guys. And passion is also there. Maybe these cards may relate to some kind of just like I said, some kind of second jobs or a different venture you want to take up in your life, some creative projects. Maybe you are working for some social causes also. Maybe you are helping people, what to say, in some orphanage, something of that sort, guys. Some kind of social service you want to do, maybe for some of you all. And some of you all are speaking to friends or family. You are taking their suggestions regarding your situation, this new beginning coming your way, and your path, what you want to do and what you want to decide on. So you have not yet decided on something, so you are taking counsel from your friends, family, some valuable advice, or some elders. They may offer you some life lessons, what you need to do in your life. So that may be the energy here. Or maybe you're communicating with your person and you are giving them information about the new things that you want to do in your life and what is their suggestion on that. And some of you all are what to say, you are structuring your life, guys. You are creating the boundaries, like a clear path. You are what to say, you are building the road to your success. So you are structuring your life according to that, and you are discussing all this with your person, and you are taking a proper decision what needs to be done, and you are having that great confidence and courage in your heart to do what you want to do today, Pisces. That is also the energy here. You are feeling that inspiration, optimism and success. You are seeing success within your reach, and you are seeing the path to reach that. That enthusiasm is there and confidence is there. So some new beginning coming your way, guys. This may be regarding that what to say, something which you are passionate about, or something that is coming up, some kind of creative venture. Or this may also concern your relationship or somebody new. If you are single, you may find somebody new. So this person may be coming towards you with the love offer. So that may also be the energy here, guys. And something very positive about these cards, guys. You will feel that optimism and courage to face all challenges that is coming your way, Pisces. And that is the reading for today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Pisces.